Hello everybody. I have a community that I belong to. It's with all thrifters, and you have an opportunity to be able to ask questions. I asked them if they wanted me to do a tutorial on the Goodwill Outlet World thrifting hauls, how I do it. So I'm going to show you really quick. This is just the first part. And this is actually before I go in. This is how I prepare for it, all right? So this has to come with you. You need to have your packed lunch, all right? You got to have snacks, everything that you're going to need in here, because it will get there. You'll get, if you're like me, there's no stopping. You don't want to walk away. You want to make sure you're well fed. You have your nutrition. You got to hydrate correctly. I even have my big large water bottle, all right? So you got to have those. So stay safe out there. All right, so this is what I call my hauling kit. So basically I've grabbed some things and I stick them in this bag that's probably sheets came in. Take it in with me every time. And I don't take in anything that is of value. You notice I don't have any watches on. I don't even have my wedding ring on, because I use a silicone wedding ring, because when you're digging through the bins, you could lose stuff. I've lost a Fitbit before, and I just died because I looked for it forever and could not locate it. So you want to make sure you take off everything. I just have some silver studs, because you also don't want to be a person where they're walking to the car and they grab you because you have stud earrings on or whatever. So that is what I do. I carry this purse. My husband bought this for me in Germany, and I love it because it fits around me. It's perfect. It doesn't weigh a lot. And inside it, I'll stick my phone if I take it in. A lot of times I don't take it in, but then you might need to take it in to do your research, because you don't want to buy stuff, because it is by pound. And if you don't want to buy things that will not sell for you if you sell. If you don't sell, it doesn't really matter. You're just grabbing stuff for yourself. But I sell. So anyways, I have my little packets for water. I have tissue in case I have an issue. I have my readers, because I am tired of getting things that have little holes or a little bit too much wear and tear. A snack in case I walk away from my lunch and need something right there, right then. Let's see, on my other pocket, I have a pen, just in case. You never know. You might need to switch numbers with another thrifter. Do that all the time. Chapstick, gotta have that, and another hairband. This hair goes up when I go in, so got that, and that'll go around me. If you don't have an IKEA bag, you need to get an IKEA bag. This will show people you're serious about thrifting. For some reason, this IKEA bag really lets people know I'm a thrifter. I resell. This is the stuff we take our stuff into after we've done our haul. This one has, I love it, it has a zipper. Have you guys ever seen the one with the zipper? IKEA bag. You can get them on Amazon. They're a little pricey, and they're awesome. They're the best. You can stick a dead body in there if you need to, just chop it up a little small. Okay, really, Renee? All right, wipes. You guys have to have wipes. Get your wipes, stick them in here. You're going to need them. If you don't take wipes, you're going to wish you did. You got to take scissors. A lot of times these people at Goodwill will, if they're good Goodwill, sometimes they're not, they will put their shoes together with a zip tie. You got to cut them apart, because you got to make sure that they're a good shoe. You don't want to buy crap. This I made up. I am so tired of people taking my stuff. And I don't want to use a disgusting blanket to cover my basket. So the rule is, you walk in, you grab a basket. If you're lucky enough to get a basket, the basket gods are never with me when I go thrifting, but I always get a wall. So you got to get a basket if you're able to get one. If not, you create your own little area. I always find a chair, and I'll find a tote there that I put this around. And if you got your basket, which sometimes I end up getting later, this baby crib sheet will cover your basket. So when you walk away, that is the sign, and it's in all languages. All the Hispanics know, all of the African Americans know. There's a lot of those that go thrifting at my place. I'm not being racist, because I'm not racist. I'm just telling you that these people will come in and they are finding stuff for a living. They send their stuff back to their homeland, and that's how their family earned money. So if there's ever an issue and somebody wants my stuff, or there's a fight that starts to happen, because that does happen, you'd be amazed. These people are crazy. I just let it go. Because you know what? It's not my form of making a living. It's just my drug. It's my passion. It's something I love to do. And I'll just let it go. And it isn't worth getting in an argument with or fight. And these people are crazy. I'm telling you, they're very aggressive. So you got to be careful. Don't be scared, but you got to be careful. I friend everybody. I'll give them stuff just so I have them on my side, because it gets a little crazy out there. All right, so you got to take all this, and so you find a spot, and you park, and you go find a basket or something, and put all your stuff in, and every now and then you go back and forth to go through your things. So this is video number 1. This is the pre-prep of going to Goodwill Outlet World. Pre-prep video number 1. Watch out for video number 2. Coming to you soon. All right, you guys don't forget to like my channel, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Don't be a hater. Don't put rude comments, because I will ignore it. All right, you guys, if you're thrifting, happy thrifting, and may the thrifting gods be with you. Have a good day.